अगर वेस्टर्न कॉन्फ्रेंस की बात हो गई है तो हम सन्स पे भी आ ही जाते हैं। क्या लग रहा है कि भाई मतलब आई एवरीबॉडी वाज शॉक्ड कि सन्स वाज इन द फाइनल्स मैं चाहता आई वाज नो फैन ऑफ सन्स बट सिंस CP3 वाज देयर उसको इतना सफर करते मैंने देखा है जब से मैंने बास्केटबॉल देखना चालू किया। सब मतलब मैं अंदर से चाहता था कि बंदा यार दे दो यार इसको यार ये जीत जाए बट इन माई माइंड आई न्यू दैट बक्स नो वे दे कैन आउटकम आउटरन बक्स। So what do you think about Suns? कुछ नया ट्रेड हुआ है क्या? If I am not tuned with the team right now.
Nothing. They've been quite silent. They might have been trades, but nothing significant. They actually have a decent team, just that it's not a championship team.
What do you
I
think
think they
about
have a
DeAndre
decent team.
Ayton यार? What do you think about DeAndre Ayton? मुझे लगता है कि DeAndre Ayton को थोड़ा मतलब क्योंकि अभी उससे एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं कर सकते, वो थोड़ा यंगर है। अगर मुझे लगता है कि वो अगर थोड़ा अच्छा खासा स्किल भी होता ना, आई थिंक दे हैड बेटर चांस अगेंस्ट बक्स। व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट लाइक Ayton?
I think Ayton, when he came into the league, he was really. I mean, his skills were quite polished, but I think he's become little less. He's become more one-dimensional since he's come up
Lob
in the
finisher,
yeah
lob finish,
yeah
cut or
yeah.
finish. That's what he's
And
doing.
I think he had a decent. I mean, if you go and see his college game, I think he had a decent mid-range game also, and he had range till the 3-point line also. I think there were two guys who came out around. One was DeAndre Ayton, and there was one more guy. I think he was playing for the Orlando Magic. Okay. These both guys had like good bag. Okay, they had like good offensive moves and all that. But that guy, I think I don't know where he's. I forgot his name also.
DeAndre
And
Ayton, I just wanted to say, DeAndre Ayton's biggest issue is intent. I feel he does not just have enough intent, like just like Ben Simmons.
Drive.
The intent to make a move himself, unassisted, or try to make a post move on someone. I feel that is what he lacks. I think he has the skills, like you said, it was rightly mentioned. Like he has the skills, but I feel he lacks intent as of now. Anyway, you can continue.
नहीं मेरे को लगता है ना कि CP3 के आने से ना वो थोड़ा मिनी लॉब सिटी हो गया। जैसे CP3 था अपना क्लिपर्स में, जैसे वो लॉब देता था जॉर्डन को और क्या कहते हैं अपने ब्लेक ग्रिफिन को। बट मतलब ब्लेक ग्रिफिन स्टिल हैड सम लिटिल जब व्हेन ही वाज हेल्दी एंड ऑल ही हैड लिटिल बिट ऑफ हिज ओन गेम आल्सो। बट DeAndre Ayton का मेरे को लगता है कि until unless you give him something, उसको बना के दो, वो नहीं कर सकता। I don't know, I have seen like I don't think he's a proper like authentic post player, so to say. What do you think about it? Like, does he has that skill or intent?
I think he clearly lacks the drive, and I have a feeling that once CP3 is gone, he's again going to go back to his own shell, and probably Devin Booker will be out of Suns in a couple of probably let's say for 5-6 years. I don't know. I have a feeling.
ठीक है, अब कड़ाशन फैक्ट्री भी है तो बोल नहीं सकते कुछ।
Devin Booker's to Timberwolves.
yeah, no man, don't do that. But I don't want to see one more ice in the vein and ice in the you know what.
Brain. I actually was gonna say we should send that clip to Nick Young. He'll probably end up making this video viral where he said that D'Angelo Russell earlier had ice in his veins and now he has ice in his brain. Nick Young will surely agree with us.
By
Nick Young,
Nick Young is famous not in NBA but in memes, dude. I don't know what is wrong with it.
This is a famous meme, right?
Question mark आता है।
Yeah, question.
एक कितना हमने सन्स कवर कर लिया, ये कर लिया, वो कर लिया। मिलवाकी बॉक्स के बारे में हमने बात नहीं किया भाई, चैंपियनशिप टीम है वो। What do you think about them? Like क्या होगा उसका?
क्या होगा? I think
Can they
probably
repeat? Can they repeat? Yes or no?
No, they are not going to repeat. They aren't repeating, and it isn't Giannis's fault. Probably in another 4 years, when his contract is up, he'll be gone to a good team, which will probably have, which I think probably would be one piece short of a champion. I have a feeling that's what is going to happen, and probably he'll win 2-3 more over there. His career is going exactly like Kareem Abdul-Jabbar's career.
I was about to say.
Maybe he's not like exactly like that. No,
Huh.
obviously, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar was famous since his college and his high school days. Okay, and he's like the most winningest player in the NBA. But then, apart from that, if you see from, let's say, agar wo Garibo ka Kareem Abdul-Jabbar है, then it makes sense that he's exactly on that path. He's going to go to some.
वो तो किसी एंगल से गरीब नहीं है बंदा भाई, freak of nature
Probably
है
he'll join Luka Doncic or someone in 4-5 years, and then
Giannis to
something similar.
Lakers or Giannis to Warriors.
Giannis, you know, I
भाई माफ कर
I
भाई,
thought
लेकर्स में नहीं भाई, ऑलरेडी उसमें
no,
ना ड्राइविंग करने वाले 4-5 लोग हैं, ठीक है, तू
अरे
उसको
नहीं,
no,
4
there's
years from now, 4
हाँ
years down the
yeah,
line,
4 years
right?
from
हाँ
now,
हाँ
probably.
हाँ
No,
probably.
I actually thought what Giannis would do this season is, since he already won the chip and he already has a lot of years on his contract left, I thought Warriors would go all in with sending what's that guy's name from the Timberwolves? I forgot his name.
Cat.
Wiggins.
Okay.
So I thought that probably they'll trade in, because I think Wiggins is also taking up a lot of money. So I think I thought that they'd just send some pieces along with Wiggins, or probably some 3-trade deal and get Giannis over there. Anyways, they're paying a lot. It's way above the salary. They are way above the cap, and they're already paying too much of luxury tax. So they'd rather win 1 or 2 more seasons. Go ahead.
I feel Bucks are going to beat the Nets and go to the finals and lose this year.
I think they
This
can
is
do that.
my
हाँ.
yeah, this is my hot take, but I'm going to
ये
make this
पहले
prediction
आएगा,
right now.
वीडियो के पहले आएगा, ये आएगा, कडाशियन आएगा, और ऐसे ही, एंड ड्रेमॉन्ड ग्रीन इज अ गुड गाय, ये सब आएगा.
Hype in my veins
This
and
is
hype in my brain. जाना चाहिए.
No, but this is like Skip. This isn't still like Skip Bayless level stuff, dude.
Yeah, but I have my reason behind making that decision.
I can see it
No, I
happening.
think it's
can see
possible.
it's possible.
I can see
yeah.
it happening. Yeah,
I
think
see
wha-
them
I
as
think
the healthiest team.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
if you see,
I think they can
have
do
the
it.
most durable players, and that is the reason
Yeah.
I feel they are going to end up, making the
Yeah.
finals.
Okay.
I think if just James Harden goes down right this season, I think the Nets are done. The Nets are done for this season.
Okay,
Just some.
हाँ.
I think James Harden is the X factor for the team.
Okay,
Even though I don't like him, but still.
अच्छा, मैं अभी सिंस थोड़ा इस पर बात हो रहा है, तो अभी रिसेंटली एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री आया था, आई थिंक सबने देखा है, और उसको देखने के बाद हर किसी को लगता है कि वो एनबीए एनालिस्ट बन चुका है. वो था लास्ट डांस, ठीक है. मेरा उसमें एक ही क्वेश्चन है कि मतलब ऑब्वियसली हमने काफी सारा, मतलब वो ना चैंपियनशिप क्या कहते हैं, हमने वो देखा है, मिनी मूवीज देखा है, उसमें पता चलता है कुछ वो लोग फेंक रहे, ठीक है. वो आते हैं ना स्टार्टिंग से कि वी न्यू दैट वी गोना विन दिस. अगर बॉक्स बोलेगा मैं विश्वास नहीं करूंगा, ठीक है. ऐसा अगर बोलेगा ना, आके मिडिल टेन आके बोलेगा मेरे को पता था अपन जीतेंगे ये साल, ऐसा मैं नहीं. सो व्हाट माय क्वेश्चन इज कि आपको कितना लगता है परसेंटेज वाइज, मतलब आप ऐसा बोलो परसेंटेज वाइज कि कितना आपको लगता है कि उसमें थोड़ा मतलब ओवर एग्जैजरेटेड है, और कितना मतलब जेन्युइन है इन द लास्ट डांस. और आपको अगर याद है स्पेसिफिकली जो आपको लगता है कि यार ये तो ओवर हो गया, ये नहीं हो सकता, यू गो अहेड. अच्छा, आप सोच रहे हो. अच्छा, मैं
भी सोच रहा हूँ.
मैं एक देता हूँ. 20-30 साल तक वो फ्लू गेम बोल के, ठीक है, वो हमारा काटता रहा. हमको लगा हाँ भाई बुखार हुआ है ये वो, और बाद में बताया पिज्जा खा के पेट खराब हो गया था उसका, डायरिया में वो गेम खेल रहा था, ठीक है. अभी
I think coming to the flu game, right? Since obviously we are not old enough to remember. I mean, we just remember from YouTube videos and those clips that used to come out of the old NBA TV. But I always thought the flu game always belonged to Dirk Nowitzki. Okay, and then I think probably in 2014 or 15, somebody said that Michael Jordan also had a flu game, and I'm thinking, yaar, ye kaun sa flu game tha? How come I've never come across this flu game? Okay. And then I saw, then people are like, yeah, he's going like this down, and the Scottie Pippen is holding him. And I'm like, oh, how is this not famous? Because I had seen Dirk Nowitzki annihilate the Miami Heat. And it was all over. Everyone was talking about that he had a flu game.
भाई वो भी नरेगा टीम था भाई, नरेगा टीम यंग मायामी को हराया था वो.
Yeah, so I was like, how come that so many people were there? Nobody even talked about Michael Jordan's flu game back in 2011. That time I was watching NBA. How come it didn't come up? And then suddenly in 2015-16, around that time, I started hearing I think that was from NBA Twitter, obviously. But then I started hearing, this flu. Everyone is talking about Jordan had a flu game. Okay, so I'm like, dude, Nowitzki had that fadeaway game. Okay, everybody like he learned it from Jordan. I'm like, no, they're taking away the flu game also. Then again, no, in the last dance, ये तो Paul Pierce वाला सीन हो गया है.
भाई Paul Pierce तो, और बंदे का नाम ट्रूथ है, ठीक है, ये सबसे है. हाँ, तो जैसे मैं बोलता हूँ, जैसे मेरे को जो लगा, ठीक है, उसमें जो बहुत बार सेक्शन आता है ना जिसमें बोलता है आई टुक इट पर्सनली, ऐसा वैसा हो सकता है। आई डू नॉट डिसएग्री, बट मेरा एक वो है, क्या कहते हैं, स्पेसिफिक मुझे याद है उसमें ग्लव, राइट, उसका नाम था गैरी पेटन।
Gary
गैरी
Payton.
पेटन ने 2 गेम में उसको लिटरली, वो गेम में दिख रहा था कि ही वाज गिविंग हिम ट्रबल्स, राइट। और वो
I
लास्ट
think
डांस,
they could have won that. They figured it out too late.
हाँ नहीं, हाँ फिगर इट आउट टू लेट, यस एग्जैक्टली। और उसमें जॉर्डन बोलता है कि नहीं, गैरी पैटर्न प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, मेरा खेलने का मन नहीं था। मैं बोला ये क्या बात हो गया यार। मतलब ये
Jordan at that point of his career was not invincible like people thought out that he wasn't invincible. I think even his teammates were really good, which people Jordan's teammates were really good, and I think the Pacers also could have taken them out if they wanted to, but
Okay.
I think the Pacers didn't have they didn't have a good team compared to the Chicago Bulls. It was just that.
ओके नहीं, मेरे को वही लास्ट डांस का मेरे को ना लास्ट डांस इसलिए मेरे को इतना ज्यादा लगा क्योंकि उसमें ना ऑब्वियसली ओवर ग्लोरीफाइंग
It is actually meant for that.
yeah,
It was actually meant for that.
मतलब एक प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंट्री नहीं है, मतलब वो दूसरे पर्सपेक्टिव
Yeah.
से उसको दिखाने की कोशिश नहीं की गई है। जैसे
Yeah.
वो जैसे उसमें ऐसा दिखाते हैं कि वो लोग मतलब सुपेरियर है, मतलब बहुत आगे हैं वो लोग,
Yeah.
जो थे ऑब्वियसली दे वेर, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक कि
Yeah.
वो लोग। And by the way, I don't remember, but I think I'm right. No, they never swept anybody, right, in their finals.
No, they didn't.
They didn't sweep anybody,
didn't.
right? They didn't.
I
sweep
think they
anybody.
came close to sweeping Phoenix, but I think Phoenix got one game.
Okay. हाँ,
That
नहीं,
was Charles Barkley's.
I don't know for people for us, right? Like people like हम जैसे हो गए, where we keep watching documentaries and stuff like that. For us, Last Dance was like what 40-50% where things were new. कुछ चीजें थी क्योंकि insider
Only
चीजें थी।
personal stories were new. I think rest of the
were
things
new.
were same.
हाँ, जो गेम वाइज हो गया और वो हो गया, those were not like कि हमें पता नहीं था और ये सब और वो जब मैं देखता
I think
हूँ,
have you come across this channel called Chamberlain's Archives on YouTube? I think they've documented Will Chamberlain's everything that they could have. I think it's called Will Chamberlain's Archives or something.
Okay.
It's a YouTube channel, famous. Everything about Will Chamberlain is on this. I think Aman knows it.
Okay.
So it was basically that
Aman
version
is
for
coming
Jordan.
in 2 minutes. उसका net down. हाँ.
Yeah. So I think that was just a version of Will Chamberlain's archives. Except कि Will Chamberlain के time में there was no provision to keep anything outside of video. Here, since Michael Jordan is alive, they can just put any detail they want.
Okay. हाँ वही ना, मुझे लगता है वो सेलिंग पर बहुत लोगों को लगा कि लास्ट डांस तो टीम का लास्ट सीजन के बारे में था ना, बट 70 to 80% things were only about Jordan. I know he is a selling point and that is why people will want to watch it, but मुझे लगता है कि वो थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया। लाइक उसको मतलब कैसा है ना, Jordan was great, okay, Jordan was like really really great, बट उसको लास्ट डांस जैसे उसको सलमान खान जैसे दिखा दिए, मतलब समझ रहे हो ना, बंदे को गोली नहीं लग रही है, 100 लोगों को मार रहा है और ऐसा वैसा उसको दिखा दिया। सिंस अमन इज बैक, तो मैं तेरे से सेम क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा। उसमें लास्ट डांस में तो दिखा होगा, और हमने ये लास्ट डांस से पहले भी हमने डिस्कस किया था, मुझे याद है कि द ग्लव वो सोनिक्स वाला ग्लव, गैरी पेटन गेव जॉर्डन अ हार्ड टाइम फॉर कपल ऑफ गेम्स, राइट। हमारा डिस्कशन था लास्ट डांस आने से सालों पहले। अब लास्ट डांस आता है और जॉर्डन बोलता है कि वो गैरी पैटर्न प्रॉब्लम नहीं था, मेरे को खेलने का मन नहीं था। सो व्हाट डू थिंक अबाउट इट डूड? लाइक मुझे लगता है थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया ये।
नहीं, इनफैक्ट काफी जगहों पे इट्स अ लिटिल क्या बोलूं मैं, मतलब वो हीरो है यार सीरीज का, सो इट इज लिटिल ग्लोरीफाइड, बट ऐसा मतलब पहले I'll address to people who think that they understand basketball because just they have watched Last Dance. Highlight reel देख के you can never judge a player. Like highlight reel में even Russell Westbrook never misses, right? He is the greatest 3-point shooter if you just see highlight reel. So the whole point is you have to like watch games, right, to know what the player was. Even I sometimes feel even we are not the like legitimately correct people to comment on Michael Jordan. Even some matches that I've seen, वो मैंने आज बैठ के पुराने मैचेस का पूरा रिकॉर्डिंग देखा है, राइट? तो I feel somewhere that वो जो एक एस्पेक्ट है ना, okay, you understand some aspects of basketball which the
a little bit bias comes in.
Yeah, exactly. You have a very biased approach in while you are learning the sport or while you are getting to know the sport.
Mhm.
Matlab, I wouldn't be shocked if somebody comes, watches the last dance and then sees Stephen Curry and then he's like, "Arey, ye galat khel raha hai." Like, I wouldn't be shocked. People thinking that, okay.
See, if you have Dennis Rodman's mindset, right, then you'll be like that only. Like, no, today people can shoot like 30 footers, 35 footers. Dennis Rodman would be literally useless in today's game, because
Yeah.
what would he do? Anyways, they are making 35-foot shots. They are making it. It's not going to miss. So nobody's there to rebound. Okay.
Mhm.
So Dennis Rodman will be like, no, that was the right way to play. I don't know what people are playing now. Imagine Dennis Rodman facing Steph Curry every day, and then seeing him pull from 35. Damian Lillard and Stephen Curry are pulling from 35, and is thinking where to start my defense from. Okay, so
Yeah.
then they fall into that trap. Okay, and plus they have to protect that they are from the best era. That's another
Yeah.
thing.
And there are so many rules that have changed. Like a basic thing, handshake rule is there, not there
Yeah.
anymore. Okay.
And
Not only that,
You could not double team.
Yeah, complex
You could not
defenses
double
were not
team
there.
Michael Jordan. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
complex defense.
these people, so a lot of these guys don't understand that right now, if you don't allow teams to double Stephen Curry or James Harden or Kevin Durant, they are going to go crazy. Like if you don't double them, you don't stop them, and that was
And one
what
more,
was with Michael Jordan.
I think one more thing is that I think hand check is a little bit overrated, in the sense I think if hand check was there today, a lot of players wouldn't have a lot of injuries, especially the smaller players. If you see
Yeah.
smaller players, right, especially the ones who are driving a lot inside, I think they would have they would have, their number of drives would have been way lesser because of
Okay.
hand check. Okay,
Yeah,
and they would have better health. Okay, number two thing is, I think players adapt. In all times, they've always adapted. Now
Mhm.
people say, right, Stephen Curry wouldn't have played like this. That guy wouldn't have played like that. I think if you're a great player, you would always adapt. Okay. I
Yeah,
still think Will
true.
Chamberlain, if he came down today, he'd adapt. He'd just kill everyone, like how he used to kill back then. Okay.
वो बंदा
He'd just kill it.
वो बंदा ऑन कोर्ट ऑफ कोर्ट जो नंबर स्कोर किया है,
Yeah.
ठीक है, वो
Okay,
inhuman है
so
भाई.
I have a question. What is a bigger achievement? 30,000 career points or 15,000 women
50,000?
in one lifetime? 30,000 career points, is that greater to achieve, or 15,000 women? You hooking up with 15,000
I think
women?
I don't want to comment on that, but 30,000 career point has been done multiple times. I don't know about 15,000 this thing.
I know
I
if I
just
do,
know one guy.
I know if I do 15,000.
He's done both, right?
Yeah, he has
Yeah,
done.
Will Chamberlain has done both.
Both, yeah.
I will say the guy who has done 30,000 points, great, and the one who has done 15,000 the other way, I will tell him to get tested. You know what I'm saying? You know,
Yeah. Magic Johnson did get tested, right?
Yeah,
I
think
man.
No, I think Magic Johnson was on the way of becoming Chamberlain, not in basketball, but off the court.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think his off the court stardom is very underrated. People do not actually know him. That what
Magic
kind of
Johnson,
dude he was. The
Magic
people
Johnson
who used to
इतना-
hang out with.
मैजिक जॉनसन इतना मस्त बात करता है ना, मैं उसका देखता हूँ, ये मेरे
Yeah.
फ्यूनरल पे मेरे बारे में 4 अच्छी बात बोलेगा क्या ये?
हाँ.
मतलब-
Yeah, you always feel
He'll be
Magic.
alive.
yeah.
Yeah,
मतलब फ्लड लाइट्स जैसा दांत है उसका, एकदम पूरा रूम वो कर देता है.
what you know what people think Magic Johnson was when he was young. They think that he was like LeBron James, very timid, very nice with everyone, friendly with. I mean, he was friendly. I mean, even when
he was friendly, but
and
not in different way.
He was a family.
He was
a
too
family
friendly.
man. Yeah, keeping enemies close, kind of friendly.
Yeah.
And then I mean, like there was a killer behind that smile. Magic Johnson was a killer behind that smile. I mean, like,
Definitely.
and his lifestyle was crazy. He had a party lifestyle in LA. I mean, people actually don't remember what Magic was.
बंदा
Obviously,
प्लेबॉय
most of the
मैंशन
people-
में पार्टी करता था, ठीक है, और क्या बोलूंगा,
Yeah.
उसका कुछ हाइट है उसके
he
बाद.
was just taking on Wilt's legacy. People don't remember him.
हाँ, वो उसको
Who
फिर
do
शैक
you
और
think is the current Laker which can follow the same path?
I wanted
Like,
to say
both are
Kyle
Lakers,
Kuzma.
right?
I wanted to say Kyle Kuzma, but he's
काइल
now in
कुज़मा
the
कांड,
business.
वो तो चाइना शार्क्स में जा रहा है ना, उधर जा रहा है वो खेलने के लिए.
China Sharks.
Kyle Kuzma roasted.
वो उसमें वो कुछ शार्क्स का टीम बनाए थे, तो उसमें स्टार्टिंग 5 काइल कुज़मा है, बेन सिमंस है, और ऐसे कर करके बहुत
That's
सारे
what even
लोग
I remember. Ben Simmons was the main all-star in that team.
हाँ बेन सिमंस यार, आई डोंट नो यार, मैं मेरे को लगता है बंदा इज जेन्युइन, बट उसके
He
साथ
should
कुछ तो
probably go.
प्रॉब्लम है।
He should probably go and meet Giannis and ask him what Giannis did. Okay,
और वेस्टब्रुक
just copy
और
everything.
वेस्टब्रुक और वेस्टब्रुक
Yeah,
वेस्टब्रुक
yeah. I don't know. Yeah, probably maybe.
अरे
He's a
इसके
better
बारे
passer than
इसके
Westbrook.
बारे में बात कर लिया तो जोएल के बारे में आपको क्या कहना है? व्हाट जोएल इज
I don't even want to start. Where to start? I don't know. उसको एक साथ 4 बीमारी होती है. One is a bacterial infection, one is a viral infection. How does he get both of them together? I have no idea.
भाई बंदा अलग ही है यार। वो भी विल चैम्बरलेन की राह पे थोड़ा थोड़ा निकल रहा है, बट
If
When
he
I
plays
first
one season without a injury, right? At that given point, whatever given point, तेरे करियर का जो सबसे बड़ा सुपर चैट होगा ना, उससे ₹1 ज्यादा मैं तेरे को सुपर चैट करेगा। एक सीजन भी अगर वो निकाल गया ना, he can rest without injury, that is okay. But एक पूरा
rest
सीजन
without
एक बार भी
injury.
Yeah.
What is rest without injury?
what
What LeBron does every
Kawhi
year.
and LeBron used to do.
do every year.
Load
Rest without
management,
injury.
that is called
Load management.
load
What
management.
Kyrie does, not even load management. Kyrie is just moody. He
हाँ।
just didn't feel like playing. वो नहीं आया।
वो
अपने
सेज है
बल
भाई,
से
वो
ना।
सेज है बंदा, वो सेज है बंदा भाई, वो क्या है, वो अलग ही
No,
बंदा है।
no, sorry. I thought maybe you're saying that he doesn't get injured while he's resting. My bad. I thought you always saying that he.
क्या
I
बात
meant-
कर रहे हैं यार?
I meant he is resting for a match without getting injured. Like, तुम्हें load
Oh,
management
okay.
back to back नहीं खेलना है, ऐसा कुछ।
Okay.
अरे हाँ, मैं एक टीम के बारे में पूछना भूल गया, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टीम है।
सब बने बैठे यहाँ भगवान, क्योंकि बनना नहीं है किसी को इंसान, कूद के करते खुद के गुणगान, फैंस इनके सारे बंद कर लो कान, गाली गलौज का नाम है रोज, wanna be PewDiePie का काम है।